everybody and welcome back. So welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make pizza, and first of all it's very important for you to wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Ingredients: 500 grams of flour, 300 milliliters of water, 10 grams of brewer's yeast, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Let's see the ingredients one by one. Flour, water, brewer's yeast, extra virgin olive oil, salt, sugar, tomato sauce. You will need a rolling pin, a bowl, an oven tray and grease-proof paper. Let's repeat. Rolling pin, bowl, oven tray, grease-proof paper. Let's go!
Start mixing the brewer's yeast, the sugar and a little bit of water until the brewer's yeast melts down and becomes liquid. Second step, when the brewer's yeast is perfectly melted, go ahead and pour it inside the flour and add 200 ml of the water. I like to mix everything with a fork first and then using my hands.
Add all the other ingredients and work the dough. Now cover with transparent film.
Your dough is ready, so let it rise in the oven with the light on for 2 hours. Go ahead and get some flour and sprinkle it so the dough doesn't stick, and get the dough and you can start working it with the rolling pin.
Put a few holes in your dough and let the dough rise for 15 minutes and preheat the oven at 250 degrees.
Put some tomato sauce on your pizza
and spread it out with a spoon. Now cook at 250 degrees for 18 minutes. Add mozzarella and cook for 3 to 4 minutes.
So the pizza is ready and I'm very hungry. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. See you soon. Bye.